Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another amazing video with beautiful designs of bottle recycle and bottle recraft. In this video we show you how beautifully designed you can trash into treasure. You can turn trash into treasures and ordinary piece into extraordinary piece. So in this video I show you very beautiful designs of bottle recycling and bottle crafting. So these gonna be after pictures of bottle recycled. So one trash bottle is gone throw away and stayed in oceans and planet. It is bad for unhealthy for our planet on earth. So don't throw away this piece and collect these and recycle it, craft it, and it is very helpful and mindfulness for your mind. It's a very mindful idea. It is a very beautiful and healthy ideas. As you can watch in this video, these designs are very interesting and popular and very attractive and healthy for our earth and our mind. It's also for you. It is healthy. You agree or not? Tell me about comment section, and we will try to upload whatever you want to watch. If you want to watch more designs like this, we will try to upload. If you want to watch mandala designs, we uploaded that. We uploaded jute craft, burlap craft, and many more, glass paintings, candlelight, fairy lights, added many more ideas we uploaded. And you appreciate that. I'm really thankful to you. You appreciate that. I really gonna thankful to you, and I really want to shout out to that. But that means you have to comment on my comment section and your name also, because the name doesn't show in comment section and your email showed that. So I can't shout out now. So in this video we show you very beautiful, very most important part of this video is these designs are very beautiful and interesting, and mandala art, jute rope, added some more effects like that, so you can add on the bottle and your ordinary piece turned into extraordinary piece. So first of all, you take bottle and color them, whatever you have, acrylic or glass. After that you have to take pencil and mandala pencil and dot work. You can apply it, and if you want to just do colors, you can, as you can watch in this video, the colored bottle are very beautiful, are very attractive, and it's time to grow business. You can grow your business with these designs. If you made masterpiece like this, beautiful piece, so if you made that, so your product gonna be viral and make video and upload on social media platform like Facebook, Insta, and many more. You can upload there. If you upload there and your product is powerful, so it definitely gonna likes and comments and shares. It will get definitely likes, everybody. So show your products on social media platform like many more ideas, and add some, you can purchase some Google ads. So also if your product is creative, so create your product and be classy, means you have to earn something. So this season is very good for everyone. This season is upcoming third semester, so this is a Xmas and New Year season. So you can earn many more things like make your asset in this season. So make your asset and keep happy, keep smiling, keep crafting. So keep smiling like a star. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to if you want to watch more designs like this. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. We are very thankful to you if you're watching this video, if you're watching designs like this. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. Stay